Alright guys, today we are going to make a origami paper flapping bird. Let's make it. See, it is flapping. First take a paper and fold it into half like a rectangle. Now fold this one also into half. Now press it. Now unfold it. Now fold this one like a triangle. Now press it. Now unfold it. Now take this one also. Now you can see it's look like this. Now we will push it from this side. Now take this too and put it down till our line. Now press it. Now you can see it's look like a square. Now take this one here till our line. Now fold this one also like this. Now we will turn. Now fold this one also like this. Now you can say it's look like a ice cream. Now take this one and fold it into half like this. Now unfold it. Now turn. Now same thing. Do it with this side. Now unfold this two corner. Now take our paper. Now fold it into half. Now do it like this. Now you can see it's look like this. Now we will turn it. Now unfold this too. Now take this one down and again unfold. Now take this one also. Now fold this two corner till our line. Now you can say it's look like this. Now take this one here. Now you can say it's look like this. Now three are in one side and there is one here. Now we are going to turn it. Now take this one here like this. Now take this one here. Now you can see it look like this. Now take one like this till our this line. Now same thing do it with this side. Now let's make a beak. Now you can see it look like this. Now we will press this one like this. Now our beak is ready. Now let's make a wings. That's why take this one up like this. Now we will turn. Now same thing do with this side. Now you can see this is our neck. Now we will fold it towards our tail. Now take this one down like this. Now we will press it. Now we are going to turn. Now same thing do it with this side. You can see this is our neck and we will fold it towards our tail. Now our flapping bird is ready. Let's pull it. Now you can see our bird is flapping. Wow! Very nice. We have made two. Wow, very nice. If you want, you can also try this in your home. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.